Array max and min is a handy array node found under arrays and max and min. And if we look at the little help diagram, it's pretty self-explanatory what this does. So it'll take an array and it'll give you the max value, the max where the index actually is of that value, and same with the min. So if we plug this together, and then remember, if we hold control, hit space, let go of space, and then hit D and let go of D and then let go of control, we can do the auto populate the nodes that are not filled instead of right clicking and going to create every single time, because that can be very annoying when you are debugging systems. So holding down control, click space, click D, let go of control, and all of our values get populated. So here's just a quick little example, and now if we run this, our array got put into the node, and now it shows us the minimum value is 1, which is right here, and that's at index number 5. And if we check 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes. And our max value was 88, and that's at our element 7, which that is our 7th element. So this can be really helpful, especially when you need to sort something quick for the min and the max. If you were, let's say, grading a bunch of homework assignments and you wanted the highest score to be, your 100% for rounding, this is a really good example of how you can do that. This is a helpful little node for using arrays, and hope this video is helpful, and stay tuned for more.